What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Thank you so much for taking the time to hang out. Today we're going to be talking about 4 tips to better use your GoPro with the Moza Mini-MI. Let's go!
Tell me, don't you know?
Alright guys, you can use your GoPro in a couple different ways. Method number 1 is just to go straight to the gimbal with no adapters, no cases, no nothing, just bare bones. Make sure you rotate the grip to portrait orientation, like if you were going to place your phone on the vertical position. That way the grip just pretty much holds the GoPro on its sides. This is perfect for vlogging or taking selfies. Tip number 2, if you triple click the bottom of the wheel, the whole thing will spin around, giving you the capability of showing what's in front of you without having to remove the camera from the gimbal itself. This is super useful because you can also double click and it will spin right back at you. This feature works natively with the gimbal and you can use your smartphone as well. Method number 3 is to use an actual adapter. The cool thing of using an adapter is that for those of you who have GoPros that have an LCD screen or LCD backpack, you'll be able to see the screen, frame your shots a little bit more accurately, and then of course you have the capability of interacting with the settings of your camera. Now at times you might notice the motor if you're using a wide field of view or super view. To get around this, just simply hold the gimbal in torch position. Not quite fully horizontally, but kind of like a little angle, you know? That way the gimbal still performs and you get the motor out of the way. And then of course, the best for last, tip number 4, Inception mode. You've seen my videos before, and if you haven't checked Inception mode, check the links in the description or swing back to the Moza Mini-MI playlist on my YouTube channel. But Inception mode will default the gimbal to torch position. This gives you the ability to adjust the roll of the gimbal as you're moving. So this is perfect for transition shots, B-roll, a lot of cinematic footage while the camera is rotating. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you have your own methods of shooting with a GoPro on the Moza Mini-MI, drop them down there so we can all learn and collaborate together. Once again, thank you so much for taking the time today. We'll see you next time.